The National Institute of Health estimates that more than 6.5 million Americans aged 65 and older are living with Alzheimer's dementia today. The BYU College of Physical and Mathematical Sciences hosted its yearly annual research conference. Universe Live's Brian Barba talked with two student researchers aiming to deepen their understanding of the disease. Brian?
Neuroscience student Zabdi Hernandez has become a regular at the conference. This marks his third year presenting his findings from Professor John Price's Chemistry and Biochemistry lab. Hernandez's work aims to shed light on Alzheimer's disease.
In other words, we're getting at enzymatic function.
Alzheimer's is a complicated and often misunderstood disease. Hernandez and his teammates are piecing together how Alzheimer's affects the body.
When you have Alzheimer's or other diseases like that, also affects, in essence, like who we are and how we express ourselves and who we are to other people.
Hernandez looks at how the brain controls and regulates fats differently when there are risk factors for Alzheimer's. His presentation focused on fats in mice brains.
We're trying to understand better how they're changing and if they have any sort of significance in that.
Graduate student researcher Ariel Kelsch is also involved in the Alzheimer's research, albeit in a different area.
We're studying the proteins, and Zabdi and his team are studying the lipids. And so together we can hopefully create a complex picture when we put everything together.
Hernandez ultimately hopes their findings will help combat Alzheimer's effects in its early stages.
If some of the fats in your brain or in your body are being processed differently, then it'd be possible maybe to make a drug or to find a drug that could help to undo those effects.
The conference provides an outlet for students to share their contributions and receive feedback from peers.
Is this really meaningful to share with other people that this is a really neat experience, that what we do does have an impact.
BYU continues to be a leading school in providing mentor research opportunities for students with tremendous value. For Universe Live on BYU campus, I'm Brian Barba.
Thanks, Brian.